Could your Rogers World Elite MasterCard actually be your next travel agent? It's true. For a lot of Canadian travelers, this no annual fee card is hiding some serious insurance value, turning your simple piece of plastic into a surprisingly robust travel safety net. But relying on credit card insurance can be a tricky game. You need to know exactly what you're covered for, and more importantly, what you're not. We're breaking down the 3 biggest insurance benefits that come with your Rogers World Elite MasterCard: emergency medical, trip coverage, and rental car insurance. First up, the most important, emergency medical coverage. This card offers up to $1 million in emergency medical coverage. That's a solid number. But here's the crucial fine print: the duration and age limits. If you are 65 years of age or younger, you're covered for trips up to 10 consecutive days. If you are between 66 and 75, that coverage drops significantly to just 3 consecutive days. If you're over 75, you have no medical coverage at all. This means if you're taking a quick trip down south, you might be fully covered. But for anything longer than 10 days, you must buy an extension or separate insurance. Always verify the stability period for any pre-existing conditions before you travel, as this is the #1 reason for denied claims. Next, let's talk about the big-ticket items: trip cancellation and interruption. This card offers coverage for non-refundable, prepaid travel expenses if your trip is canceled or interrupted due to a covered reason like a sudden illness or a weather disaster. You get up to $1,000 per person for both trip cancellation, which is before you leave, and trip interruption/delay, which is while you're traveling. This is a nice safety net for flight delays or minor cancellations, but be aware that $1,000 is considered a low limit in the world of credit card travel insurance. If you book a high-cost vacation, you'll likely want to top this up. The key takeaway here is you must charge the full cost of the trip to your Rogers World Elite MasterCard for this coverage to be active. Finally, the benefit that saves you money at the counter: auto rental collision damage waiver. When you rent a car and charge the full cost to this card, you can decline the rental agency's expensive collision damage waiver, or CDW. The card covers you for damage and theft of the rental vehicle. The most important rules here are: the coverage typically lasts up to 48 consecutive days, which is great for long trips. However, there's an important vehicle restriction: the manufacturer's suggested retail price of the car generally must not exceed $65,000. Be very careful when renting luxury or large specialty vehicles. Also, remember this is collision damage waiver only. It does not cover third-party liability. For that, you need your own car insurance, or you'll have to buy the rental company's liability package. The bottom line on all of this? Your Rogers World Elite MasterCard offers great baseline coverage, especially considering the 0 annual fee. It's perfect for short trips and covering your rental car. But for anything longer than 10 days, or for high-value travel plans, treat it as a supplement and be ready to purchase additional coverage. Always read the current certificate of insurance before your travel dates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.